In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Gestures after scrolling down. Now click on Automatic Brightness and select this switcher next to it to activate it. As you can see, my switcher is green. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!